In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to download Eclipse and make a basic program. So the first thing you need to do is download the Java development kit called the JDK. Type in JDK, go here, the first link, that it should be that one, and go down here, JDK, just click download, and then right like this, so, and then you accept this and it should down, and then you choose whatever, if you're a 64-bit or a 32-bit, and that way you find out if you're a 64-bit or a 32-bit. Also, this depends if you're Linux, then use Linux. If you're Mac, then use the Mac one right here. And if you're Windows, you have to find out if you're a 64-bit or a 32-bit. So you find out here, you go to properties. I'm a 64-bit, so I would download this one, but I don't want to do that again since I've already done that. So next you want to go to download Eclipse. So you go to Eclipse downloads and first link again, and remember you're a 64-bit, or if you're 32-bit, download 32-bit. Obviously I've already done this, so you just go ahead and do that too. So just go here and do this one, and it will be a zip file. So you want to open up the you want to find a folder that you want to put it into and unzip it there, because it'll be a zip file. Put it in a folder called Eclipse and unzip it, and then make a shortcut to then open up the exe, and something like this should show up. And what Eclipse actually is a IDE, which makes it a lot easier to develop in Java. So you can actually do it in like Notepad, for instance. You can actually just type a Java program into it, but then you have to do all kinds of complicated things with the command line. This just streamlines it, makes it a lot easier, and it makes it immensely easier to program. It doesn't take even that long to do it. So when you start out, you won't have this page because I've already done this. So what you're going to want to do is go up here. There should be this, and you go new Java project, and then you can call it whatever you like. I'll call it test, and then just press finish. Don't go to the next, just press finish. Then so here we have test, and so over here, go to source, right click and say right click here and say new class, and you want to just name it whatever you like. I'll name it test again, and finish, and test new so I think I did something wrong here, but never mind. So eventually it's going to look like, it should look like this, and then so I'm going to show you how to make the usual hello world program. So how you do this is you just type in here, you type in system, make sure it's case sensitive, so make sure it's capital System, .out, .print line, and when you press the first bracket here after you do print line, it'll automatically make the other one. Don't worry about that. It's not it's just to speed up the process, because you'll be making lots of these if you program. Then do this one, and then you do these to say that it's a string, and type in any words you want. Now you go up here, press the run, and it says just press OK, and oh, there's an error. Oh, see, I forgot to do something. At the end, put this, a semicolon, say that it's ended. Then go over here, and there we go. It ran, and you see what I typed in there. Now if you want to do something a little more complicated, you can say import scanner. So and no, well, let's not do that. Let's do. I'll make a. So let's delete this real quick, and I'll make a string. So just type in capital string, and we're making a variable here, and we'll call it a write variable, because we're going to write this to the console. And then we set that, we say equal, and so we're saying write is equal to, we put these, and we type in whatever we like. Then we put this, and now we have a variable called write, and then we can go system dot out dot print line, like we did before with the brackets and the double quotes, and but actually don't have the double quotes this time, just type in write. Now when we run it, I made a little mess up there, and I have to put the colon there, semicolon there, never forget that. And so it did that. It wrote a little bit of gibberish there, because that's what this thing is. So now let's say I change this to hello world. Then when I run it, it'll say hello world. That is a basic Java program, and I'm done.